So the project at Birchgrove, we have a 7-floor building which has 60 apartments that houses up to 80 residents, a number of management staff. Really the challenge for us was to securely segregate and enable internet access and building management systems that will work seamlessly. The project brief we were given from Birchgrove was to provide an IT system that is firstly reliable, has resilience built into it, and then from a resident perspective, having a simple system that is always on and always working.
In this particular project, we needed to look at the telephony, the Wi-Fi, the internet, and the stability as a whole for all of our core individual systems. I was asked to create the IT infrastructure for the building and design it from scratch. All the buildings were being literally created from the ground, so we had a blank slate to start off with and do whatever we wanted to do. We decided that we needed to have 2 independent broadband lines for safety and resilience. Every apartment here has its own IP provided telephone. The Wi-Fi, we have 6 independent SSIDs, all with VLANs, because we needed to keep the network separate from each other. The fall detection system, which is an absolutely critical system, produces an absolutely huge amount of data, which is why we needed to keep it separate from the rest of the network. It's entirely cloud-based, so we need to have something which is secure, reliable, something we can absolutely depend upon, because if the network goes down, the fall detection system doesn't work, the telephones don't work, then obviously we have quite a big problem on our hands. So we needed something which we could absolutely rely upon, not just from the point of view of having general network and Wi-Fi for our residents to use their tablets and look at streaming on the TV, but we needed to have something which was absolutely rock solid.
In all of the solutions that we put together, we like to look at the requirements of the customer. Based on that, we will then find a solution and a brand that we feel fits and meets all of the requirements. And we felt that TP-Link came out top in pretty much all of those cases.
We looked at Aruba, we looked at Cisco, but we decided to go with TP-Link because of the reliability aspect. Having so many crucial things in the building which have to be kept working, we knew we needed something which we could rely on, and also the back-end support from TP-Link. If ever we needed help, the ability just to pick up a phone or get on instant chat and get help, that was the most attractive thing to us. The hardware decision was based almost entirely upon the physical aspects of this building. We have our main comms room, and we have 6 comms racks, sub-racks up and down the building. Each of them are connected by diversely routed fibre, so we needed something which would handle a huge amount of data throughput, something which would cater for the redundant aspect, and also something which would be reliable. The cloud system brings a huge amount of peace of mind for us, having everything located on one dashboard. We have multiple sites with 25, 30 different pieces of physical network hardware on each site. Being able to log into the cloud system from anywhere in the world and being able to identify if there's an issue, whether it's configuration or hardware, and then trying to take care of it remotely and take care of hopefully 99% of the issues, if there are any issues, is absolutely crucial.
So from having access to an account manager, to being able to phone up, raise tickets and have excellent support as and when we need it. The solution as a single vendor solution also was very appealing. Everything would work seamlessly, and it all comes in at a very good cost. We're really pleased with the TP-Link product set. We would definitely recommend TP-Link to other people in our sector. We've had a really positive experience from account management, from the support teams. The interactions have been good and timely, and the product has been incredibly reliable.
It's the most reliable hardware that I've actually come across so far. What really makes a difference is the aftercare, which comes as the package. If there's something going on with the configuration that you can't get a handle on, or something you need help with, the ability to have someone on the end of the phone or a support chat or dialing in remotely to take care of the issue, that's what sets TP-Link apart from the others. In a building of this size, it's absolutely fantastic. When you compare it to some of the other hardware vendors, the reliability and the stability that the TP-Link have brought to the party, it's exactly what we needed.